For today's video, we're going to take a look at the euro against the Canadian dollar. I did a video on this last week calling the trade as it was. I think it was last Thursday, I think it was, on Friday, whatever it was, Friday, the 7th of February. Put out the trade as a potential trade for Friday night. And we're going to start doing more of these videos where we're identifying the opportunities, getting the video out there first, getting it on YouTube, and then giving an update later on a few days later. And this is the opportunity as it came in back on the 7th. When we did the video, it looked like this. We were waiting for the close Friday night to then put that opportunity on. This is what it looked like come the close, and we had our sell trade there away. So it was a sell sniper. It's with the longer term trend of the market. Look at the arrow on the left hand side of the chart. So it's pointing down. We're looking to move to lower prices in line with a longer term trend of the market, and that's exactly what we've seen, as the market's never really looked back, to be honest, after perhaps a little blip at one point on Monday morning. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, here we are now, moving on really nicely, about 135, 140 points up. We've actually put a note out on the message board to suggest the idea of taking profits early on this one. We don't normally do that. It's just simply the case that just helping educate our clients more about the potential support level we've got down here, hitting down towards those lows there. And actually, even if we go back as far as 2017, there are support levels down at this level. It seems like a good area that the market could find support. So if you're thinking about the idea of taking profits, this would be a good idea, a good place as any to look to lift those. A number of lows in that sort of region that we're moving down to now. So it's a good profit on that trading opportunity. Around 130, 140 points or so. And just remember, doing that at £3 a point, that's going to test my maths, isn't it? That's going to be what, £420, £490, something like that. £390, £420 to that order from a £3 a point stake on that sell sniper with the trend. Called live on the 7th of February on YouTube. And here we are, part 2 of the video, going on and hitting our target for a really nice profit. Have a good rest of the day's trading, everybody, and hopefully you'll tune into more videos. Hit subscribe, hit like, put some comments in the YouTube field. You know what to do. Let's get interactive, shall we? All the best, guys. Bye-bye.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.